Welcome back guys, we're back again with another tutorial. This time we're going to be going over WordPress blogs and how you're able to add or remove plugins. To get started, of course, you're going to need to log on to your site via the SeekaHost panel. Now if you haven't logged in, you can just log in using the top right button there. Of course I am logged in already. If you haven't, you would have got your username and password sent to you through on an email, and you can use that to log in. And to change it from the random letters and numbers, of course, if you watch my last video showing how to sort out your profile, that'll be able to show you how to change it to admin. Now before I get into the plugins, a quick explanation. A plugin is a program that you'll be able to add onto your blog that will be able to do separate things. For example, you might have a plugin that collects forms that customers will be able to fill out and then send back to you, or you can add anything from a gallery that people can vote onto and see what their favorite picture is and stuff like that. So once you clicked install plugins, it's going to bring you to this page and it's going to show you all the plugins that you have started with. Not all of them will be activated. As you can see, they're not actually all activated yet, whereas the bottom three, the file manager, the access editor and the SMTP mail, that is activated to start with. Now to get started, we're going to go on our backup and restore app draft plus, and we're going to activate that. It pops up with a very handy screen that will bring you up to here, and what this will do is it will back up your site. So let's say you got your site to a point that you really like it, and just in case you make any changes and you don't want anything to get ruined, you want to back it up, all you got to do here is just hit the backup button and click backup now. Short time later, you're going to get the message saying backup has finished running, and we now have one existing backup. So now if anything goes wrong, we can click to download what we have backed up. So whether it be the database, the plugins that we already had installed then, the theme, if perhaps we changed the theme, we didn't like it and we want to back it up, uploads, and you can choose others as well. Now if we head up to starter templates and click activate, once it's activated, you can head on over and see library. From here it's going to prompt you to choose one of these 4 preferred page builders. Now from here you can choose a very cool template to add to your WordPress blog. This particular blog that we're going to be showing is going to be a makeup orientated and fashion glamour blog. So choosing a bike modification theme may not quite go too well. However, if I search in the top bar makeup, it very quickly finds me a template that will suit there. If you want to go take a look at the site, you can come on the bottom left and check preview site, and it gives you a very nice feel of the site. You can click around and see how they have got theirs arranged. From here you can choose whether you want to import the complete site. By that it means all the pages, so with the about, services, portfolio and contact, or if you just want to download the homepage template. For this one we're going to import the complete site, and we're going to click import. Once you finish the one last step of adding your name, your email and telling them what it's for, you're going to hit submit and start importing. Once it's all done, you're going to be given this message here: hooray, the website imported successfully. Go ahead, customize text, images, design it to make it yours. So let's go and view the site. So this is now our site, and as you can see, all the template has been fully downloaded and it's been put onto our site exactly as so. We'll go into further detail about this on a different video because this is more tailored towards plugins. However, we'll have a full video disclosing exactly how you can change all the appearance and everything about your blog. Now the next one is ASCII anti-spam. This has got a different variety of packages. If you do want to activate it and check it out, that's totally up to you. That will stop things spamming you. However, there are other plugins as well that will do a similar job. So for that, let's actually head to plugins and then add new to add a new plugin. As you can see here, we have plugins already showing, and we've got a search bar here. Now let's say that you wanted to add a forum. I've simply clicked forum here on the search bar, and then you can come check them out. If you look at Asparagus form here, it's got a tick, so it's compatible with my server, and I can click install now. Once that has turned to activate, you just click activate, and then it's going to bring you back to your plugin page with an activated plugin. Now, as we can see on our plugin list, we've got Asparagus form right here, and it's activated. Now, for details on to actually install plugins and stuff like that, you just click on view details there, and you can click onto installation. This will show you exactly how to do it. You can also click on screenshots if you want to check out what it looks like before you actually add it. One thing that you will notice after you add a plugin and activate it, it will pop up here on the left. As we can see, we've got form, and now we've got structure, appearance, user groups, ads and settings. This is how you can change your plugins around, and they will all come with different settings. If we click onto structure, it will bring you to the structure of how you want the forums to be. Now, if you decide that you don't like a plugin that you've installed and you want to delete it, it's very simple. What you got to do is find the plugin on the plugin list and head to deactivate. Once you deactivated it, you can completely delete it or leave it there in case you want to activate it again. Whilst that's deleting, I just want to add one more thing about plugins, is that you can change whether they automatically update here. So if you don't want them to, you can click it and it'll disable automatic updates. However, I would recommend enabling auto updates, because usually when they update it, it will either help with either security risks, it will make the plugin better. So I would normally leave that on enable auto updates. So thanks for watching. For more videos like this, don't forget to check out the SeekaHost website, and of course subscribe to the channel for more content on WordPress blogs. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.